What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you a town tour of the Kasama Town. Yes, Kasama Town is the video for today. If you are new on my channel, do me a favor, subscribe, turn on bell notification, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, let's tour Kasama Town. Oh yeah, just like that. Guys, we are in Kasama. Yes, Traveltainment is in Kasama. Take a look at some lodges or hotels you can occupy whilst you are here in Kasama. I say welcome to my hometown. This is not the place where I was born, but I call it the place of my father, the place of my ancestors, the place of my great-great-grandfather, Kasama. Yes, Kasama is the place where Mwambas come from. I'm a Mwamba. So the Mwambas come from Kasama. This is where my father came from, and that's the video tour of this town. For those of you who might not know, Kasama happens to be the provincial headquarters of the northern province. So Zambia has got 10 provinces, and this is the provincial headquarters for the northern province. So the northern region is mainly dominated by the Bembas, and I happen to be Bemba. And this is the place where my father emanates from. So I'm here to show you, I'm here to come and do a return back home, where my father never had chance when he was alive to bring. He never brought me here, but I brought myself because I'm Traveltainment. My mission is very simple, is to show you more than just my place, but to showcase the whole Zambia. That is what Traveltainment, that is what I'm all about, is to show you everywhere in Zambia. This Kasama also happens to be one of the homes to the original paintings of the ancient people who lived hundreds of years. In fact, hundreds of years ago. The paintings are so intact, they are all found here in Kasama. The other remarkable thing about Kasama, just like we always talk about, that Zambia is really blessed. Why? There are certain things which humans can never create. God put a lot of natural resources in this part of Zambia. This place is also blessed with a lot of rains, although it is summer right now, but a few weeks from now, maybe a month from now, the rain season would have started. All the vegetation you are seeing, which may look brownish or what, it will start blooming. And before you know it, then the most important thing of all, take a look at the residential areas. I brought you here, guys, because I'm Traveltainment. Take a look. This is why I always tell you, please do me a favor, subscribe, turn on bell notification, give this video a thumbs up. Support my journeys, ladies and gentlemen. Support my movement to showcase Zambia for now. I'm so determined to show you what Zambia has to offer. Well, we may not have skyscrapers here in my town or in this Kasama Town, but I'm here mainly to tell you that here in Kasama we have 3 waterfalls. Next to this one, the whole northern region, they are almost infinity number of waterfalls, and this is my new passion that I should showcase to the world, to tell the world that Zambia is blessed with many waterfalls. And you know, waterfalls can't be faked, guys. You can't fake it. You can't make. Have you ever imagined, can you make the Victoria Falls? No, but God gave us something which money cannot buy. Even if you were a rich country, you can't buy the kind of waterfalls or the natural resources which God has blessed us with. Zambia is also blessed with a lot of national parks, game management areas. All those are coming on my channel. Sometimes I may not do it as fast because I have limitation in terms of finances for traveling. That is why I always preach to you guys that if it is in your power, please do me a favor, sponsor some of my trips so that I'm able to go around my beautiful country and show you what we have to offer to this world. Yes, even in Kasama, we have a lot of tourist attractions. One of the limitations is having a car. Here I was in Kasama after driving 1,000 kilometers. This is not my car, but I just use someone's car to find myself here. Particularly, my elder brother is the owner of this car. He's the one who gave me the car to come here. So I need a car, I need gadgets, I need money to travel the whole country. I really want to go the whole country. I'll be so glad. Very easy to contact me. Even when you check my channel, Traveltainment, there's always my WhatsApp number. Send me a WhatsApp. I can afford all my trips to go around. That is why I tell people I'm not in a hurry to start going out of the country. Why should I go and start telling you about another country when I've not exhausted my own country, Zambia? I really want to go around my country first, tell stories of my country before I can know about other countries. Then something strange happened. While I was in Kasama, I met my old classmate. We last met 26 years ago. And yes, before I knew it, boom, we met. Guys, I've just met an old friend. When was the last time we met?
I think it was
Which year was that when we finished school?
When we just completed the school.
19 what? Because
96.
they will think that we finished in 2006. 1996. So this year, more than 25 years, I think. More than 25 years.
Yeah.
And look how pretty she's still looking very pretty. Okay. Okay, so very soon, maybe very soon, I want to be a YouTuber in Zambia who has showcased more waterfalls than any other vlogger you can ever know in Zambia. I want to show more waterfalls like no other person has ever done in Zambia. For example, here in Kasama, my main reason for coming, and that's the video for tomorrow, it is taking you to the 3 waterfalls. 3, guys, I didn't say 1. These are the blessings which I've told you God has put in Zambia. 3 waterfalls, namely Mutumuna Falls, number 1. There is Kayela Falls, number 2. There is also the popular Chishimba Falls. So even after the Kasama video, I still need to go flat out, guys. As finances allow, I still need to go and show you more waterfalls. Actually, after the Kasama video, there is another waterfalls which is located slightly above 160 kilometers from Lusaka on the Great East Road. All those videos are coming. That is why I want you to stay tuned and subscribe to my channel if you are not yet you have not yet done so. So make sure. And those of you who are outside Zambia, make a date. You would love to watch my videos so that you can make a decision. I know many people who are watching my videos from out of the country and they have a desire now to come to Zambia. Why? Because I'm showcasing many waterfalls, many beautiful places where you would love. You have a choice to pick on which places to go. All you need maybe to ask which is the best season to come and visit Zambia, or these waterfalls, which is the best season to come and see the wildlife. Yes, welcome to Zambia, the real Africa. For example, government has also put up good incentives. Are you anyone who is coming from any of their countries where there have been waivers of what can I say? Government has waived a lot of visas for countries like Canada, China, US. Let me flash these countries. So Zambia is calling you guys. Are you from the United Kingdom, United States, Canada, Norway, Australia, China, Japan, South Korea, Gulf States, European Union? Zambia is calling you. No visa. Visas have been waived for you guys. What are you waiting for? Welcome to Zambia, the real Africa. I believe this is a topic for another day. Comment down below if you want me to make a video about visa requirement in Zambia. Leave a comment, and trust me, if the demand is so overwhelming, I'm going to make a video specifically about how to come to Zambia. Come on, guys. Who does what Traveltainment does? I'm not perfect, but I'm determined to show you as much as possible in Zambia. I'm determined to go to all the 10 provinces, show you cultural diversity, show you natural resources, show you how our places looks like. Go to villages. Who does that? Traveltainment appreciates you guys. Family, all right, ladies and gentlemen, on this night view of the ShopRite area here in Kasama, I would like to end my video here by appreciating you for coming back to watch my videos. Those of you who have subscribed, I salute you. Those who are always here liking my videos, commenting. Some of you don't even comment, but you have been supporting me. Some of you even comment. You have been supporting me financially for me to afford such trips. Please, I need your continuous support. Thank you so much, so that I can reach out as many places as possible. This is the night view of the Kasama Town. Like I said, tomorrow, be expectant, since I make videos back to back. Every day I'm showing up to make sure that I give you the very best. So we also have these banks. As I'm ending this video, please, I beg you, support me, share me out if you can, support my movement. I'm so determined to take you places which many or no YouTuber has ever delivered to you. God bless you. God bless your family. There is one thing I always want to tell you. This life, it may seem long. Even at 100 years of age, life is too short. Live a fulfilled life. Travel the world. Work. Have time. Come to Zambia, the real Africa. Thank you so much. Once again, subscribe, turn on bell notification, give this video a thumbs up. From here in Zambia, out of the 73 languages, my daughter reminds me that I should let you know that we are on a journey to 100,000 subscribers. Yes, by then it will be much easier to afford life. From the 73 languages here in Zambia, we are one Zambia, one nation. See you in my next video.